Hello, wonderful listeners. Welcome again to our podcast that makes English learning a joyful adventure. I'm Amelia, and I'm so thrilled you're joining us today.
Hey everyone, I'm Mark, your co-host. Today we've got an amazing topic, how to train your brain to think in English. No more slow translations, just quick, natural English right in your head.
That's right, Mark. It's like turning your brain into an English superstar. Before we dive in, please hit that subscribe button, share this episode with your friends, and leave a comment. We really love reading your feedback.
Your comments make our day. Today, we'll share super easy tips for beginners, and we've got 3 amazing experts to help us. Let's get started. Amelia, let's start with the big question. Why should we think in English instead of translating from our native language?
Great question, Mark. Translating is like carrying a heavy bag while running. It slows you down. When you think in English, it's like running free. You speak faster, and it feels natural.
Oh, I get it. When I translate, my brain gets tired. Like, I think dog in my language, then find the English word, and it takes forever.
Exactly. Thinking in English skips that step. It's like talking to a friend, easy and smooth. Plus, it makes you sound more confident.
Cool, I want that. So how do we do it?
We'll learn with simple tips for A1 and B1 learners, and our experts will make it even clearer. Let's make your brain an English thinking machine. Okay, Mark, first tip. Think in short English words or tiny sentences. Don't try big, hard sentences yet.
Short? Like what?
For example, when you see a table, think table or this is a table. When you drink water, think I drink water. It's super easy.
Oh, I like that. So when I see my cat, I think cat or my cat is black?
Yes, perfect. Do it all day with things around you. Like in the morning, think I wake up. The sun is yellow. It's like a fun game for your brain.
A game? I'm good at games. So when I eat breakfast, I can think I eat bread. The bread is good?
Exactly. You're connecting English words to what you see, not your native language. Try it everywhere, at home, at school, or on the bus.
Awesome. Tip 1 is think in short English words or sentences. I'm ready to try it. Let's bring in our first expert, Anna, a teacher who loves helping beginners. Welcome, Anna.
Hi, Mark. Hi, Amelia. My tip is listen to English every day. Listening is like giving your brain a big English hug. It helps you learn words and sounds naturally.
A hug for my brain? What should I listen to?
Things you like. For beginners, try easy kids' stories or simple podcasts with clear words. They are perfect because the English is slow and clear.
Oh, I love podcasts. So when I listen, my brain learns how English sounds?
Yes, your brain hears the music of English, the way words flow. Also, try short audio stories or audiobooks for kids. They use simple words like the dog runs or the girl is happy.
That sounds fun. Can I listen while I'm walking or cooking?
Absolutely. Listen anywhere, on the bus, at home, or even in bed. The more you hear English, the more your brain thinks in English.
Thanks, Anna. Tip 2 is listen to easy English podcasts or stories. I'm excited to try this.
Our next expert is Tom, a language coach who helps people speak better. Hi, Tom. What's your tip?
Hello, Amelia. My tip is speak English to yourself. Say words out loud, even if you're alone. It trains your brain and mouth to work together in English.
Alone? Like talking to my cat?
Sure. In your room or bathroom, look around and say what you see. Like, this is a mirror. The mirror is big. Or talk about your day. I eat an apple. The apple is red.
Oh, cool. So I can say, I see a book. The book is blue?
Perfect. Your brain learns to make English words fast, and your mouth gets practice. Try it in the morning. I brush my teeth. The water is cold. Or at night. I am tired. I go to bed.
That's so easy. Can I do it in the car?
Yes, anywhere private. Your ears need to hear your voice saying English. It's like teaching your brain to speak without thinking too hard.
I love it. Tip 3 is speak English to myself about what I see or do. Thanks, Tom.
Our last expert is Lily, who speaks 5 languages. Wow, Lily, welcome. How do we think in English?
Hi, Mark. My tip is live in English. Make your world full of English, like changing your phone to English or putting English names on things in your house.
Ooh, like my phone saying messages or camera in English?
Yes. Every time you use your phone, you see English words. Also, try putting sticky notes on things. Write door on your door or fridge on your fridge. It's like your house becomes an English teacher.
That's so smart. What else can I do?
Write a short English list every day, like I buy bread, I call my friend, or name things you see, tree, car, dog. It makes your brain think in English all the time.
My house will be an English school. Can I watch English videos too?
Yes, watch short, easy videos about things you like, cooking, animals, or games. You'll see and hear words like I cut the apple or the dog jumps. It's fun and helps your brain.
Tip 4 is live in English with my phone, house, and videos. Thanks, Lily.
Wow, Mark, these tips are so cool. Short words, listening, speaking, and living in English. But how do we keep doing it?
Maybe do it a lot? Like every day?
Yes, do a little every day. 10 or 15 minutes. For example, 5 minutes thinking in English, like I see a chair. Then 5 minutes listening to a podcast, and 5 minutes speaking, like I drink tea.
That's not hard. Only 15 minutes? I can do that.
Totally, and make it fun. If you like soccer, watch a short soccer video in English. If you like food, listen to a cooking podcast. Fun makes your brain happy.
What if I make a mistake? Like I say I is happy instead of I am happy.
Mistakes are okay. They mean you're learning. Just say, oops, I am happy, and keep going. Be kind to your brain. It's trying hard.
Got it. Small steps, fun, and don't worry about mistakes. I'm ready to think in English. Emilia, these tips are great, but can we add more ideas to make it even easier?
Sure, Mark. Here's an extra tip. Use English in your head when you're bored. Like if you're waiting for a bus, think, the bus is late. I see a bird.
Oh, I'm bored a lot. I can think, the sky is blue, the car is fast.
Perfect. Another idea is to play a game with a friend. Point to things and say their English names, like window, table, pen. It's like a race to name things in English.
That sounds fun. I can play with my sister. She'll say book, and I'll say chair.
Yes, and one more tip. Repeat words you learn. If you hear apple in a podcast, say it a few times. Apple, apple, apple. It sticks in your brain.
I love these extra ideas. Games, repeating, and thinking when I'm bored. My brain's gonna be so English. Okay, Amelia, let's do our vocab game. I say a word, you explain it. Ready?
I'm ready, Mark. Hit me with the first word.
First word, think.
Think means to use your brain to have ideas or words, like I think about my cat or I think in English. It's what your brain does when you see or do something.
Nice. Next word, listen.
Listen means to hear something with your ears. For example, I listen to a podcast or I listen to a podcast. It's when you focus on sounds.
Cool. Next word, speak.
Speak means to say words with your mouth, like I speak English or I speak to myself. It's how you talk out loud.
Great. Last word, change.
Change means to make something different. For example, I change my phone to English or I change my shirt. It's when you switch something to another thing. All right, listeners, it's time for your big challenge.
Here's your homework. Try one of our tips this week. Think in short English words, like I see a tree. Listen to an easy podcast or podcast. Speak to yourself, like my room is big. Or change your phone to English.
Then go to the comments and tell us what you did. Did you say, my dog is cute? Did you listen to a kids podcast? Did you put English names on your fridge? We can't wait to read your stories.
And don't forget, subscribe to our podcast, share this episode with your friends, and give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us make more fun episodes for you.
Thank you for joining us on Learn English with Fun. Keep practicing, have fun, and we'll see you next time.
Bye, everyone.